use also supposed to be connection is required, right?
Yes.
That connection is what type of communication you guys are expecting? Okay, then otherwise, Subham and Ram is talking each other. Until two more people I need. Who's that? The one is Thomas. And second one is Surya. Anyhow, wait, I can take care separately. It's already. One is Gerard Thomas. And second one, in our batch, everyone is full. Anand, right? Anand,
I
anyway, some
think
emergency. I told him at least join for. I will try. Okay. For example, whenever whenever Subham and Ram is talking each other, before talking, they will establish any Chekur channel first, or
Yes.
they will talk freely.
No.
some secure channel.
Some secure channel.
Okay, when the human level, what is meant by Chekur's channel? Tell me. Oh, for example, we went for a tea break and we are talking each other freely. That is not a Chekur channel, right?
No.
Some spy
It is
always
sacred.
will be there, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
Hmm. Then how you are avoiding that? First, what we will do each other.
Greet each other. Then, if
Okay,
you want to have,
anytime your boss or boss of boss, usual like a you guys are not talking each other common medium. You guys are using a private channels. Anytime you hear that messages, your manager will ask like sometimes knowingly or unknowingly. If Ram is your manager, he never asks. Okay. But some managers will use nowadays you guys are private channels discussion. That means
I got your point.
API channels their spy. Yeah?
Actually,
Uh,
we have like a two can, a public can and a private can, but I didn't explore that. Is it?
uh, no, no, no. For example, your manager will ask, nowadays you guys are not using a Teams for your chatting. Uh, Privately, you are discussing something like that, you will ask, knowingly or unknowingly. That is the reason your outlooks and maybe whatever you are using in the office environment. Okay. As a
Mm-hmm.
cyber security responsible, someone will come to your zone, your privacy zone. Now you know. Earlier you don't know about properties. Your privacy is someone is violating, then it is a threat for them, right?
Yes.
No one can dare. That is the anyhow it is available. But only thing is, you always keep in mind in office environment, be careful. Some secrets never share to anyone. That is the another way. And the second thing is, you always maintain a good rapport with your immediate manager. Your immediate managers and you always having a good rapport. And
Mm.
currently, you don't put any conflicts with automotive industry. I'm telling you, cyber security is a external action or internal action.
Internal action.
Then, hey, seventh week, don't surprise
Sorry,
giving a
sorry.
surprises and all. Internal action or external action.
External.
You know your enemy.
Yeah.
No.
No, no,
You
no.
know
I
you know
we
your
don't know
enemy.
it, but
You know enemy.
no.
Safety guys knows their enemy easily. They are responsible for internal, only internal communication. That means they are master about this part. That is sufficient for them. For you, your secure boot is enabled. Secure boot is enabled. Once power on the ECU, okay, it is going for continuous reset. Complete world will escape. For example, 800 people are working.
Have you recorded?
Oh, yeah, yeah. So, hope so. Started, I remember. Yeah, yeah, started. 800 people are working, but unfortunately, your once power on the ECU, continuous reset is happening. What every world is telling, tell me common dialogue. Anyone faced continuous reset, they will say secure boot failed. Please check it. Please check with the security team. HSM guys or cyber security. They won't investigate after continuous reset how they proved that it is there. Continuous reset, even though sometimes it will trigger by application also, right? Control came application or not, someone can prove, right? First, once you power on the ECU, after how many milliseconds after that reset is triggered, then you need to investigate. Then you need cold boot to warm boot reached or not, you will check it. For example, this boot you given a power here. Okay, then you wake up, the warm boot is started. That means what is meant by that? Your secure boot is finished or not? This is the time your secure boot action will happen. No one will measure. Then you need to go every time and explain. It is a 360-degree. That is the reason I never clubbed the implementation topics and concepts. Because of that reason is you guys supposed to be know about your properties first. What and all properties you implemented for a security. So now coming back to the our point, VOTA, FOTA, SOTA. Whatever name, whatever may be, who will develop the target file first initially?
Developers.
Developer.
Okay, target file. Initial starting owner is developers, right? Okay, developers are written all the C files and H files, everything. Actually, target source code. This is target source code is developers and architects job. I'll agree. Okay. After that, target file generation whose job? Will generate the targets, Srikanth? Who's building the file?
Target file generation, integration.
Hmm. Integrator. Integrator. So this integrator, once he generated the file, he need to share to some people. Who's that? Tier 1 integrator. will happen after that? This target file shared to whom?
Suppliers or OEM.
Target file pushing to, push to, or giving to, or anything you can take. He is giving back to OEM, right? Let's see. OEM. Okay. This target file after OEM, what he will do? First action.
They will sign it.
Okay. He will do sign. That means he will use some tool and he will sign. Okay. OEM will sign the file. And target file. Next, what he will do? After
They'll upload to
signing,
the server. They will upload to the server.
1 minute. So until this, it is established and you discussed each other. He is the owner of the file and he will sign the file. Okay. After signing, what is the next action?
Flash.
After signing the file, he is giving back to the, he is giving to tier one is the possibility is there. I won't give to tier one. The channel is there, yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, it came. Tier 1, whom and all you will give the file, signed file. One is
Testing
system
team.
team, second one is software team. System team, software team, they need to test, right? System team and software team, they need to test. That is the one possibility. Testing purpose. Okay. Similarly, sometimes this guy, this file, you will push to cloud also. Cloud also. When, if tier 1 is the owner of the cloud, tier 1 is the owner of the cloud, what he will do? He will push. That time OEM will silent. Otherwise, second flow is like this only actually. You are a tier 1, then here is the OEM, here is the cloud. What are cloud? This guy is giving a file to here. Okay, this fellow pushing to cloud. Okay, so here it is the your vehicle. Okay, then it is your gateway. Then you have target issues like this. That is the one model. Another model is also there. You have gateway issue. Quota slave is here. And target files, sorry, target issues. Now you will see this guy, you have a connection. This is also you have a connection. This also, one-way connection. Then always you have single connection here. Okay. This protocol only you will call it as a subscription protocol. Your subscription is expiring. You will get the notification yes or no.
Yes.
Subscription expiry time, you will get the renewal purpose, right? Then how many reminders you will get it? 1, 2, 3, how many?
Multiple reminders will get.
Thomas, you joined, right? Anand joined. Check it, Yugandhar. Thomas is there, then.
Yes, Thomas is there. Thomas is there.
Okay, no problem. Yeah, multiple reminders, huh? That combinations we'll discuss. You will see now. For example, here, tier 1 giving the file to target file to OEM. OEM is signing and pushing into Vota Cloud. Now, whatever the Vota Cloud is there, signed file, right? Your target file is signed already here. Signed file here. This one subscription went to, this is the issue for your master gateway, master issue, master gateway. Once the issue master gateways came, then master gateway, it will notify to target issues, right? Directly. That is the one channel. Other channel is also there. Okay. So similar approach. Cloud, until cloud pushing, sometimes Vota Cloud pushing, sometimes OEM, sometimes tier 1 also. That is the reason here you will see above diagram. Target file you are giving to OEM. OEM will sign the target file and giving back to the tier 1. Tier 1 can give to the system team, software team. Along with that, cloud also you will give. That means in this example, cloud owned by the tier 1. Sometimes cloud owning by who's the owner of the Vota Cloud is also matter. Who will take that responsibility? Okay, you have a signed file there. Then next example is you have the Vota Cloud, Vota Cloud, whatever maybe. It will come to the target ECU. That means telematic control unit master gateway. Master gateway again giving to the Vota slaves also. Then Vota slave having a connection with child ECUs. That means master gateway always interacting with the slave gateways, not for direct issues. Slave gateway, each slave, at least you are serving like a child nodes and all. That is the another way. That is the reason when you are performing any analysis or anything, you need to know whatever the ECU you are handling, that ECU is a master ECU or slave ECU. Master gateway or slave gateway. So you don't have a direct connection with Vota Cloud, but you will get the master. Okay. Now, for example, elapsed time 1 day. That time, okay, our product is a mobile. Okay, we developed a core developers and mobile. Okay, we'll give a subscription to anyone to install the OS, or we'll silently will install. We will give
We'll,
any subscription to
we'll give
anyone.
notification. Yeah, we'll give subscription notification.
Never be right. Elapsed time 1 day. Hackers can attack you within a 1 day. Whom they are damaging? You are a customer.
Customer.
Never be right. For example, car is hacked. Who's the main loser? Tell me.
Brand
Eh,
reputation and customer.
uh, OEM, you can tell. Customer is end customer, or that is the you will see. OEM, right? Who's the owner of the own equipment manufacturer, right? First name will come. Then you know how you will escape and all. These parts are I purchased from so and so company, and you will escape. Okay. Similarly, you guys. Okay, then I will ask you another way. How many straight away you will tell that what is the your mobile OS version? Anytime you in your maybe you guys are using 20 plus years onwards mobile, right? Approximately 15 years. You are new generation kids, right? Yes or no, Rudra? 15 plus years you have the mobile, right?
Yes, yes.
15 plus 2010 also not required. I am hoping you guys are using mobiles
Since 2008.
8 years. That is the time you introduced a 699 unlimited plans or something. Okay. 18 years onwards, so you guys are using, right? Yeah. Anytime you observe what is the OS version you guys are using, it is not required for you all, right?
Yes.
Okay. Then you are using a laptop, always what you will tell, major version or minor version.
Major version.
That means only you will tell, Rama, I'm using a Windows
Windows
10,
11.
Windows 11. If I will ask a minor version, tell me minor version. You have the answer, you guys.
No.
No.
That means Microsoft is a that much intelligent guys, and they will install one time. They are not going for any patches. Huh? That is the reason. First version when they released. Okay, when they released and how they're updating their child versions and all also you need to know. Otherwise, Rama, Windows 10 to Windows 11, that is nothing but a major version only. Patches I'm not taking at all. That is the different part of story. Similarly, coming back to our world, electronic control unit, ECU, software version, you guys will remember or not. For example, you are using a software version 1.60. Okay. Then you received the reprogramming request. Your software version is 1.61 is ready. Always you will plan for a backup version, yes or no?
Yes, we have
Yes.
to.
Yes.
Okay. After minimum testing, you will give the version to outside or without testing.
Testing
Minimum
after.
testing.
Okay. In your experiences, anytime, everything worked from your side, nothing is. It is not at all detecting. It is not at all connecting. Anytime experienced such a way, it is worked a lot. But when you went for a customer side, it is not detecting what may went wrong. Okay, another way I will ask you. Assume like this is the lab setup. Okay, this lab in India. It is a client place. Lab in Europe. You worked for 2000 loop also this testing. Everything passed, but it is not detecting here. Then what? Physically, connections, everything lab-wise was. You can simulate that environmental of air condition. Possible? How India environment is there, outside environment. If it is possible to simulate same environment in the Europe,
No.
that way also Wi-Fi testing. So many companies are closed after when the client is testing time, they failed. That is the reason you everything you don't take like a granted. Here it is tested. Which protocol you are testing also matter. Why people are deploying in the client's place, one or two colleagues, this type of lesson learned by the organizations. You will feel like what that fellow will do. Why? Okay, but that's all they don't revolve the exact secrets and all, right? So that is the another story. So some reasons are there. Similarly, whenever you have a elapsed of time, you never give a time to install by subscribed by the your end user, right? You will directly install also silently. Similarly, now Arita, what are the security properties you selected for secure flashing? I need to know secure flashing's cyber security goals. How many properties we have the goals, how many properties we have the claims.
I have to check.
You have table ready, right?
Yes, I have.
Please open and tell me. I think everyone table ready, right?
Secure flashing methods.
Yeah, tell me.
Confidentiality, integrity,
Hmm.
authorization, authentication, and
Hmm.
repudiation.
Authentication and repudiation also.
Yes.
Okay, only availability is the claim. Availability claim. Okay, secure access, tell me.
Confidentiality, integrity, authorization, authentication, availability.
Availability, authentication, authorization.
Yes.
Okay, claim is integrity, yeah? Cross verify Rudra, integrity and repudiation. Okay, no problem. You are It's okay. Now I'm telling you, any type of flashing as a cybersecurity responsible, it may be a normal flashing, it may be a over-the-air update, or maybe firmware over-the-air update, or software over-the-air update. You are flashing hardware, software together, only software together. Uh, these all are names. That's it. You are a light variant or premium variant, high premium variant. It will vary. But in the cyber security scope, maybe your concept is this, or your concept is this, or maybe your concept is this. Someone, OEM is pushing into the cloud, or tier 1 is pushing into the cloud. Pushing after that, master ECU, that means master gateway received after that. Wherever you are giving a connection to slave ECUs, and it is a reprogramming time. Other than these properties, you guys are changing anything. You will treat like a once a file came from cloud to your master, you are inside the car. After that, you guys will treat like a reprogramming request or something else.
Reprogramming request.
Reprogram.
That is the myth, right? Reality myth, two things. Reality myth will talk like a vota, fota, sota, bigger concepts. The year I have a 6 or 7 concepts are there like that. Okay, until now. My HSM boot manager is 8 KB block. It is a UDS flashing. Every time how much size I am flashing? If it is a UDS flashing, every reprogramming time, how much size I am downloading? Your size is 8 KB.
Less
You
than
are
8 KB or less than or equal to 8 KB.
possible itself of UDS flashing. Delta flashing is possible. Anytime tried.
Vector flashing is possible.
Less than 8 KB is possible. Delta flashing, you guys are possible. UDS flashing or not? That is the architect questions for me. That means what? Out of HSM boot manager, I have only 200 byte change. This 200 byte change alone, I created a file like HSM PM delta dot hex. This one is downloaded via UDS flashing is possible. As per your UDS design, always you will download 8 KB, 8 KB, 8 KB again and again and again. Please cross verify 4 of you. SZD, Subham, Rudra, Ramesh. Delta flashing is via UDS flashing is possible or not? Okay. For example, someone notifying you, immediately they will cut the subscription, or first they will remind you for the subscription?
Reminded.
How many times you will get the reminder? Master gateway received your target file. Then what it will notify?
New software received available.
Notify to target issue, right? First notification driver ignored. Second notification ignored. I don't care. He is not the owner of the car. He is just a driver. First request he ignored. Second request he ignored. Then third request you will notify or you forcibly will install. If it is idle laptop, what your after max attempt of time is elapsed. Anytime your system will give a chance or it will install themselves
Themselves
forcibly.
forcibly.
Possibly.
Forcibly laptop you can dare it. But ASIL-D issues are running in the car. Anyone can dare to install such a way.
No.
Why? You don't know, right? What type of situation that vehicle may be. If suddenly something is not working that will trigger a crash, then human loss is there. Then what you will do? Here. That is the retry options. How many retries you will do? You will see new things will come here. One is delta flashing. Second option is the retry. Third option is the dual back. One active bank and one inactive bank always will be present. But UDS also, Rama, not only Vota, dual bank concept I'm using via UDS. Yes, possible. UDS also, you guys can use for a dual bank concept is possible. That is the reason in the secure flashing time, I informed you like you always erase is not required when the dual bank is there. Only single bank, you will first perform the erase, then you will go for a download. But in the dual bank, itself of active bank, you will download everything, verification completed, every block is proper, then you will activate the blank. Otherwise, you will run with the active bank only. So similarly, delta flashing, retry option, dual bank. These all are the some of the beauty of the Vota level concepts. Now, for me, if it may be a secure access is present, secure flashing is present, then for me only like a, how you know, the channel our architects building between the, you will see, this is your target is UAGM. Then this is the notification level. They will notify directly. They will take secure access and they will notify. That is the one connection. Okay. Similarly, you have a Vota cloud. Year to year, first they will check secure access and then only you are allowing. That is the another level of connection. After that, whatever the sequence is there, right? Once downloaded after that, whatever the sequence, that sequence wise, I'm not seeing any change at all. I will treat like it is a normal reprogramming request. That is my thought. Now, question, first of all, You guys will agree with secure flashing and secure access is present. Same properties you will take to VOTA, FOTA, SOTA also. Or you guys are will say that Rama, no, we won't take all the properties. Here we have a different approach. We will discuss that. That is the call to analysts and architects now. Collaboratively come with a common conclusion. I showed you, okay. First tier one will generate the file. Target file is target file initially in the tier one place. Then you will transfer to the OEM. OEM will sign the file. Then after signed the file, next step reprogramming also similar scenario, and here also similar scenario. Instead of a server, what you will calling now cloud. Okay, here now. This communication is a secure communication. This communication is a secure communication. Okay, once you reach your gateway, request came here, file downloaded here, then you need to treat like a normal reprogramming. That is my thought. 5 minutes, you guys can debate now. Yeah, Subham, you can start. Subham, Jay, Thomas, you all. I hope my explanation is sufficient, right, Subham, or you need some more examples? You guys. Yeah,
I guess
then
can you just repeat the assignment you want to discuss what?
Yeah, please.
Just repeat. You say you want us to discuss which part here?
For example, for me, secure access is present, secure flashing is present. Scope of cyber security of VOTA, FOTA, SOTA. We don't want to do any special things there other than only connections. Like this notification, how we will do, how many times we'll retry, what flags we will set, how you are giving a notification, which interface you are providing like a active request or inactive request, how I will get to know that preconditions. These all are the small things pending. Remaining things, main level security is completed, secure access implemented, secure flashing is implemented. That is my level of understanding. You can try to debate same properties you can hold, or you guys are having a special properties for this particular feature. Subham, you will start.
For this, we need confidentiality for the DCs, and we need to have a secure communication. So, for integrity, those things will not be tampered. Okay.
No. I'm first thing is secure flashing, secure access. Any property you will change, you will let it be. Secure access is a secure. All the properties are required. Secure flashing, all the properties are required. You are okay with that statement, or VOTA you will treat like a separately.
I think OTA we have to treat separately
Why?
because
VOTA other than flashing, anything you are doing as a cyber security scope.
flashing. No, not doing anything else, but they are
Then why you are treating it? Someone will treat. That is not your job, right? As a security responsible, you have the target file. The target file, where is the your target is you? You need to dump the file securely. That is the your job, right?
yeah.
If you are treating separately, then they will pull you into every discussion. You already done secure flashing. You already completed secure access. Then what else? Why you are treating it separately for Vota?
But here multiple issues will be there, and all will have different acid levels. So
Okay, that means in the secure flashing time, if your SL is D, you have a some properties. SL is QM, then you have a some properties, huh?
properties will be same.
Mm.
That availability property, I'm thinking availability of the network, the data packets sending and receiving.
Mm.
Other
Of the event that when it is started, if it is failed or something. So that's the thing that I'm thinking to deviate from the properties that we have. Anyway, that is mandatory, all the those things. But reputation is also necessary in the case of OTA because we need to have a log of the target file is not flashed
Okay,
properly or
then I will
not.
ask you. Then I will ask you. Okay, your ECU is not a master gateway. Then you need the repudiation.
No.
Okay, then you are taking like this part successfully you downloaded the content. Yes or no? You need the log.
Yes.
Okay, for example, you partially downloaded. You downloaded one movie from the cloud. That movie size is 2 GB. You downloaded 1.5 GB. Then you resumed. You stopped. Then again you restarted the downloading. At that time, it will start from where? It will start from beginning or it will start from where previously you stopped.
Beginning.
It starts from where previously to stop.
Okay, today you
If it
try
is
that. You try that.
if it is an old torrent, it will be start from beginning. But now it's
No,
from
no,
resume.
no. Why? Why? You don't want waste their time also, right? Because every user having a certain time of drive cycle. Within the drive cycle, When you will trick that AI ready to download. Otherwise, very tough to driver to educating a driver itself, you need to kill for your money. So repudiation, you are saying that in this perspective, I will think about it. Now, analyst, you guys not collaborating, right? Please collaborate. Next week, Saturday onwards, you need to collaborate. You need to argue with architects only.
You said we need to argue with the architects. So what are we arguing on?
Yeah, you align with the architect and you express your view. What is your view for VOTA? VOTA is identical to secure flashing and secure access, or you are treating like a little bit different?
Architects, you said it was the same. You said it was similar. I kind of missed the comments from the architects. Can you guys repeat? So, Bum, I'm not sure if you were one of the architects that said something.
Maybe initially you missed some minutes. I will give you the context again, 5 more minutes.
No,
You
Ram,
see.
I'm clear. I was, yeah, you told us to discuss. I was trying to discuss with the architects.
Okay,
They,
please.
yeah. So I think, Sabam, I think you mentioned it was the same or different. Can you restate your point?
Yeah, I mentioned all these things as the same, but the reputation as additional cybersecurity property which is going to be valid because we need to have a log of the events that its target file is downloaded successfully or it is failed to download or failed to install. So those things, because in secure flashing and secure this, we made the reputation as a claim. So that's the one point that I put.
Okay. Ram, can you scroll up or write down what our, maybe just scroll up. Ram, can you scroll up on the screen? I think above you have the goals that we've captured. I can look at my page. Never mind.
He is so silent, please.
Okay, so for secure access, so Sabum, you're saying for secure access we don't have repudiation, but for OTA we would have repudiation.
Yeah, that's what my viewpoint, but not sure of the others.
Yeah, we'd
Like,
also have
is
integrity too. Yeah, so it would.
But you can. For example, I didn't ask you like your issue is a gateway issue, right?
Mhm.
If for a master gateway, then I'll agree. Your issue is a target issue, assume ABS or airbag.
All right.
Then where you will store that log?
I don't think you could. So are we thinking about OTA being both for the actual gateway module and the target module, or just, or I guess it depends on the architecture, huh? But I think we'd also need integrity, regardless of where we're going.
mm,
So, Ram, to answer your question, I think, at least from my side as one of the analysts, I think we'd have a lot of similarities, but um, for secure access, where we have two claims, those would be the two claims of integrity and repudiation. Those would be two goals that we would have for OTA.
that
So we
means we
have
are
all,
saying all the six properties been violated because of it OTA now.
yeah, yeah. As an analyst, I would say all six. Yeah, yeah.
Um,
No pushback. It's all six. We're good to go.
yes, my point of view also succeed. other where all properties for this water.
Final call is you need all six properties for water. Bhaskar, Bhaskar, you will treat like a VOTA is a separate concept or VOTA is a just like a reprogramming. Bhaskar, you are in a mute. Okay, Ramesh, VOTA is a
Right.
just a reprogramming or you will treat like a separate concept.
As per me, I'm considering it as the same as a reprogramming only. Just we need to take care about the outer environment only. Inside is it will be same acting as the reprogramming, security access, all it will be same as per my understanding. Hello, Ram.
Yeah, yeah,
Is it
yeah.
audible?
That yes, 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 you are audible.
Yeah, that's from my side.
Bhaskar, you share your opinion.
Sorry, Ram, again.
Uh, VOTA you will treat like a reprogramming or it is a separate concept.
And it is separate because it is going through public network, right? OTA means through cloud it is going data
Okay.
travels public. So treat like a separate.
For example, here until it touched our entry point, whose responsibility?
That one.
Whose
Cloud owner.
responsibility?
Receiver responsible.
Yes.
For example, you are downloading some file from a Google.
Yes.
Uh, then you are taking any separate thing, or once you downloaded after that, your antivirus is scanning.
Yes. After download.
Maybe during the download also some file you will get the notification. Latest antiviruses you can check it. Whatever you are downloading, it will cause some harm for your system. Still you are insisting that yeah you will take that risk, it will download. But always in this concept level, first you will download it into the target here. Then this guy will route. So that is the reason how you are connecting a tool from a diag tool. Diag tool you will connect direct to your address here. Okay. Then you are downloading. At that time, whatever the process you are following, and this side also same process as per me. Sequence. How your external one DAG tool, your IP address, you are there connecting and flashing. Venkat, you can add here because you done for a vehicle level testing, right? In the vehicle level testing, you will see your ECU, you using the tool, you can flash any ECU also based on that identity addresses. Similarly, Vota cloud file, it is coming to first level is a master gateway, and master gateway is distributing to respect to target ECU. So, okay, no problem. Properties wise, I took it as granted. Then we all are in the same sync. We need the confidentiality, integrity, availability, authentication, authorization, and the repetition also. Yeah, all are goals only you can write what are CS goals. That is the almost all the concepts we discussed. Now, Saturday onwards, I will tell you how many are aware about static view and dynamic view. Static view and dynamic view, all are aware or you don't know?
Which
Static
I,
architecture and dynamic architecture.
Don't know.
yeah,
Mm,
Next Saturday onwards, we will discuss about your static view of each concept, dynamic view of each concept, and the developer. If, for example, I need to say encryption, you need to implement that concept. If I will say decryption, you need to implement. If they will say CMAC, developers, architects, you need to implement. Mac, similar. HMAC, similar. And digital signature also similar. You need to be ready. Then they will say RNG, you need to be no, random number generator. So it may be a symmetric model or asymmetric model. So developers, you all are ready, right?
Yeah.
So yeah, then your guys' homework is tomorrow anyhow class is not there. Practice all the tools again and upload it into your respective folders. That is the homework for all of you because that is this you are how much you remembered, I don't know after these 2 weeks of duration. Okay. So Saturday onwards, each concept you need to go into in that direction. Architects, for example, you already know, right? Modules for common modules, certain modules are there. Common modules like a DEM. Most of the time, DTC, if you have a DTC requirement, DEM is required. DCM is required. Communication is required. OS calls are required. Init is required. NVM is required. You will say that Rama need basis will put like a effort from this. I will put like a some more modules and need basis we will pick from static view. I'm also okay with the architect decisions. I don't want to represent every time these common modules in my architectures. That is fine for me. But dynamic architecture, behavioral architecture, which is the starting point, which is the ending point, you need to be know about architects, be ready. Each concept, at least fifth batch, fourth batch, they done job. Fifth batch, I forced them to they need to do the job for fifth batch. They completed the nice way for architectures. Most of the architectures I pushed them to complete sequence static and dynamic views. Okay, but what I will share small examples. I pushed a lot of people how your architectures looks like and all they drawn. Okay, so that is the reason these diagrams you guys are not aware or something. For example, how the tool and how it will happen, everything. This is nothing but a next Saturday onwards. Each day we will go one concept and we will discuss. Sometimes it is a little tough, I'll agree, but first I will explain, then I will give you the homework also, you guys. Be confident, possible. It won't take a much time for you guys. Okay. You guys are not, words are not familiar, please. Analyst. Now onwards, you are going inside the depth. First, you compare with the secure JTAG. What are your 20 VARI analysis, 20 attack analysis, top attacks, where static view, dynamic view going in incorrect. You are not satisfying, then you need to raise the alarm too early. You be silent, architecture is frozen means you already know, right? Architecture is done, design is done. Then they will generate the source code, right? Gerard, Yugandhar, Kalyan, Venkat, and Akshay. You need to rise too early. Rama, as per my list, in this mode we have a problem. Can you please rethink about that? You can change the mode. Rama, this algorithm itself, we have a problem. Please change the algorithm. Your voice, I need to hear in that directions. Testing wise, they need to come up like a, even though how strength you are using also, we can break it. That is the duty of Harita and Anand. Developers, you need to be ready with your, up to you, right? Tools you have. You will do it via tools. You will do it your own. I will give a freedom to you guys also. How you will do is, I never, you already know, right? How much freedom I will give on that. That is up to developer level. How you will implement is up to implementation level of thing. You will, what is the, sometimes JTAG lock is nothing but a password only, right? Yes or no? Some example, if it is required, I will show you all. How your password looks like, how you will take inputs, what is the input of source, your passwords, generators, and how you will do is, this is nothing but a final password for JTAG. One or two examples I will show you. Nothing difficult, but your responsibility is you need to write the password into the so and so memory location. But their responsibility is they need to show the how this password will works. So what is the legacy concept? What is the advanced concept? Everything we will discuss. Government, maybe developers, please ready with your part. Analyst, please ready with your attacks. Architects, please ready with your static view and dynamic view. Then third stage time, then you will get a complete connect dots and all. One stage of concepts with them. We are entering, I'm welcoming you all into second stage of the concepts. Usually when I'm entering to a second stage of the concepts, I will collect the complete fees and all. So that is the stage. We will collect the, you guys supposed to be complete your third installments also. It is a general message for you all. Okay. In the group, I will ping you the my new GPay number. There you can complete on or before by Saturday's your third payment also. Okay. So welcome you all, and I need the your attendance is matter for me. Okay. It is a complete view. You will get the clarity by, okay, I done the project. It is not like a theory, I know, no. You are strong about your properties, you are strong about concept, you are strong about why you are doing JTAG. Everyone is agreed, right? All the concepts are required because that is the reason you selected the properties. Everyone is agreed. You need the JTAG, you need secure access, secure flashing, secure boot, secure storage, secure logging, intrusion detection system, secure onboard communication, WOTA, FOTA, SOTA. Each one is having a own properties. So then we are implementing that concepts in the Saturday onwards. Okay. Bhaskar, Ramesh, Subham, Saurabh Dev, Rudra. Please brush up your dynamic sequence diagrams and static diagrams.
Oh,
Okay,
Okay.
all analyst group, please concentrate about Varai analysis of JTAG, top 25 attacks of JTAG. Kalyan, whenever I'm telling you a JTAG, you can more analysis of a Ethernet port. Some port is there, your charging port. Then it will be more Yugandhar and Kalyan. You can connect whenever I'm telling a JTAG, you can take it as a any port.
Okay.
Your mobile charging port or USB port or power, anything is fine for me.
Okay.
Uh, that you are directly connecting or connecting, you need to connect means you need to unlock the password. So any nearby your area, any electric charging stations, go and check that guy directly filling the gas or owner is entering some pin, then only is filling the gas. Please check it.
Okay, sir.
That is the another clue for you guys. Okay.
Okay.
For example, petrol and diesel, they will fill it immediately. But electric, only we clearly given a instruction some of the substations. If he is a authorized person of the owner, then only you will fill it.
Yes.
Okay. Uh, Arita, please, your test framework is ready. Okay. JTags based on that properties, you need to be ready for your test cases also, how it looks like and all. Okay. Remaining all, some people, mostly they will get the calls by this weekend or maybe next week, surely. Some people already got the calls. So all the best for you all. Saturday, Sunday, at least I will finish by secure JTAG and secure access. Next week, you will get the complete clarity. Any interview also, you can crack it easily. Okay. Architects, next week, don't keep Saturday, Sunday, and the next weeks. Don't keep any commitments and all. Don't misses the classes also. You are the main players for me. Okay. You are and developers are the main players. Who all are the not speakers in the first slot? They are the Arita also main player. Developers are the main player and architects are. Analysts are always, I will give you enough time to debate with that why you selected such a design, why you selected such architecture. I will give you the freedom to ask questions, a lot of questions, you guys also. Don't worry. Okay. Yeah. See you all in Saturday. Okay. I will ping you my new GPay numbers and all on or before Saturday. Please complete your payments and all. Thank you all. Okay. Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. And your that batch, please complete that work, whatever I given the work. Today, that meetings also, that signal and diagnostic level. Please finished by Saurabh Dev and Ramesh and Prithvi. You need to complete that work by today. Tomorrow, without miss, I will call you and I will tell you that what type of debates you need to put in that group. Okay. That 10 members group, please inform to that Anand. Okay. You can prioritize Prithvi or Ramesh or Mahesh. Anyone call Rajesh. Please call him and inform him and all. This is the weeks you need to give priority for the career also. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you all. And you guys required any reference or anything, architects or anything? Tomorrow morning, please let me know. We'll shortly also connect. Mostly I will do work from home means give me your thoughts. I will give you the clue. Based on that, you will get some more thoughts. Otherwise, Subham, it is just like a debate for your functional concept and technical concept of safety. Okay, we are going for such a way for security concepts. That's it.
Sure.
Okay, then. See you all Saturday morning. Thank you.